Love is Noise, Memento. Let's check this out. Ooh, new song. Semi-new song. 2 weeks ago. Oh, what a unique voice. Oh, thank you, Vanilla. Thank you. Yeah, Fear and Dagger. That's the one. That's where it sounds similar. Marilyn Manson, that when he does that voice. Yes, yeah, exactly. It's like the fucking like what you see in front of you is like all wiggly and all that shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait, what a twist. Damn, actually. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. That shit was increasing so much. It literally felt like my headphones were going to explode. And that there's nothing more you can ask for a rock song. That fucking just destroys your ears, destroys your headphones. Dude, I thought this was going to be like Deftones in the beginning, you know, like that chill singing type of shit. But what a twist, man. What a fucking twist. Love is Noise, Memento. Banger. Banger, banger, banger.